Most ad research tool focuses on single platform. That means jumping over different ad libraries, running the same searches again and again, and wasting time gathering information. The result? Slower ad search and incomplete information about what your competitor is. That's where multi-platform search comes in. PowerAdSpy lets you switch between different advertising platforms and explore ads from a single interface. This makes it easier to compare campaigns and find inspirations across multiple networks. At the top of the dashboard, you will find the platform selection menu. Here, you can choose from single advertising platforms including Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, native ads, LinkedIn, Reddit, Quora, Pinterest, and even TikTok. Simply click on the platform you want to explore, and as soon as you select a platform, PowerAdSpy updates the result and displays ads from that specific network. So for example, you can switch from Instagram ads to YouTube ads, then move to Google or LinkedIn ads, all without leaving the dashboard. This gives you a quick way to explore how advertisers are approaching their audiences and different platforms. And when you're looking for ideas, you can easily compare creatives, offers, and messaging across multiple networks in one place. Platforms you research, the more opportunities you uncover. Instead of relying on a single source, you get a broader view of what's working across different advertising channels. That means better insights, more creative inspiration, and smarter campaign planning. The next time you research competitors, don't rely on a single platform. Use PowerAdSpy's multi-platform search to explore ads across different networks and uncover winning ads faster. Open PowerAdSpy, start your trial now.